There are different symptoms of back pain. Among all of them, I will tell you 5 symptoms that you should never ignore. Because when you have these symptoms, that means you have a serious back problem. And make sure you watch till the end because I'm going to give you a bonus tip that a lot of people think that this symptom means their back pain is getting worse, but in reality, their back pain is actually getting better. Now, the first symptom is increase in pain. Now, this is a gimme. If you have an increase in pain, that you know that your condition is getting worse. Such is true for back pain. Now, the second symptom is a radiating pain. A radiating pain means the pain is going down the leg from your lower back. The key thing that you have to observe in this one is the further it goes down your leg, the worse your back problem is. The more the damage to the nerve is, the further your pain will be. The third symptom is weakness and atrophy. When your muscle starts getting weaker, that means the nerve affectation is getting worse. Atrophy is when the muscle is getting smaller. The weaker that your muscle gets, the more atrophy will set in. So when you start seeing the muscle gets weak and smaller, that's a dangerous sign. If you're finding this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe. The next symptom is loss of bowel and bladder control. When you have back pains and you start having loss of bladder control, meaning you start leaking or you start urinating without your control, then that is a dangerous sign. The same holds true for lack of bowel control. By the time you have all these symptoms, I highly recommend going to see a specialist to get the treatment that you need for your back problem. Now, when you get treatment and you see that your symptoms are not getting any better, that is another dangerous sign. That means that your back problem is a lot more serious than we expect it to be. Now, when you start getting treatment and you feel that your pain is coming closer to your back, but at the same time your back pain is getting worse, this is actually a good sign. As your nerve heals, the pain comes closer to the source of the problem, which is your lower back. Even if your pain on your lower back is more intense, that still means that the nerve is healing. We call that the centralization of pain, and that is a good sign. And if you want to know what can possibly be causing your back pain, watch this video here.